Many men wrongly think that endless affection is the path to being unforgettable, so they smother women with simping attention. However, this needy behavior often backfires. There are smarter ways to stand out that draw her in. In this video, I'll share 8 powerful strategies to make yourself truly unforgettable without losing your dignity or independence. Number 8. Establish a no-contact period. Giving her space shows strength and self-control. So implement strategic no-contact periods where you purposefully withdraw for a few days. Pull right back when she's showing heavy interest. This shows abundance, refusing to pine for her validation. It builds anticipation and lets her wonder about you, growing fonder during your absence. She can't miss you if you never leave, and constant contact removes all mystery, making you seem too available, predictable, and boring. So create some healthy distance. Don't reply to her texts instantly. Take longer to return calls. Have a life outside chasing her. This independence and restraint will make you stand out, unlike thirsty men giving her 24/7 attention. When you reconnect after a few days of no contact, she'll be excited to hear from you again. Stay disciplined despite her protests or complaints about you pulling away. This emotional self-control shows maturity, not playing into manipulations. You have better things to do than entertain shallow demands for constant attention. Number 7. Keeping the mystery intact. A Sigma male knows the power of mystery. Unlike needy men who overshare everything, keep some parts of your life private. Don't check in with constant texts or calls narrating your day. Preserve your independence and unpredictability. She shouldn't know everything you're doing at all times. That removes the thrill of mystery. Stay somewhat obscure about certain aspects of your life, your goals, personal struggles, and upcoming plans. Don't be an open book who bores her with endless updates. As you share vulnerabilities, do it slowly and strategically over time. This gradual unveiling keeps tension and anticipation brewing. She'll feel privileged when you share intimate details, not taking your openings for granted. Remain a man who marches to his beat, not chained to her every curiosity. You don't owe it to anyone, not even a romantic interest, to give full transparency. Keep dropping hints and clues about who you are without spelling everything out. The less she knows and understands about you, the more she'll crave to unravel the mystery. This is catnip to women bored by simps who overshare. Number 6. Avoid the attention trap. A Sigma shrugs off attention traps that ensnare thirsty men. Don't take her calls or reply to texts instantly just because she dangles bait. Make your world bigger than her. Don't come running every time she asks. Set boundaries instead of surrendering your purpose when she complains you're ignoring her. Laugh off accusations of being distant or mean if you don't provide her non-stop attention. You don't owe endless affirmation to anyone. Keep progressing on your mission with or without external validation. She can tap you on the shoulder all she wants. If you're focused, you won't flinch or look back. The more you play into her ploys for recognition, the more she'll disrespect you as desperate. But when you brush off these hooks, refusing to dance for attention, she'll only respect you more. Dismiss the whines, guilt trips, and accusations without care. Stay the prize to be won, not appeasing her every need. She'll soon learn her bait has no power over a stoic, centered man who loves his life with or without her in it. Number 5. Creating strategic jealousy. Creating strategic jealousy. It's not about petty games or manipulation, but about showcasing your value and desirability to others. This strategy hinges on the basic human psychology of wanting what seems slightly out of reach or in demand by others. To implement this, subtly demonstrate that you're a man of high value, someone sought after and appreciated by others, especially women. This could be through social media posts showing you enjoying activities with friends or engaging in exciting events. Maintaining a balance is important. You're not flaunting other relationships, but rather displaying your well-rounded, attractive lifestyle. This approach triggers a realization in the woman's mind about your worth and the possibility of losing you to someone else. It stirs a sense of competition and urgency, making her see you in a new, more desirable light. Remember, the key is subtly and maintaining your integrity. It's about enhancing your attractiveness and worth, not deceitful mind games. Number 4. Show off your life. Showing off your life is a crucial strategy for a Sigma male to be unforgettable. This isn't about bragging or arrogance. It's about confidently displaying the richness of your life and passions. By showcasing your interests, achievements, and experiences, you create an image of a man who is fulfilled, independent, and interesting. To effectively show off your life, focus on sharing your adventures, hobbies, and successes. This could be through social media or in conversations where you speak passionately about your latest endeavors, travels, or accomplishments. It's essential to do this with a sense of humility and genuine enthusiasm, not as a way to belittle others or to boast. When a woman sees you leading an engaging and fulfilling life, it naturally increases your attractiveness. It paints you as someone who isn't just looking for someone to complete them, but as someone who is already complete on their own. This independence and self-sufficiency are highly appealing traits, making you stand out as a man who is not just living, but thriving. Number 3. Give her a nickname. Nicknames can enhance intimacy when given appropriately. It is a subtle yet effective strategy for a Sigma male to become unforgettable. This approach is about creating a unique bond and a sense of intimacy. A well-chosen nickname can make a woman feel special and cherished, as it's a term of endearment that only you used for her. The key is to pick a nickname that is meaningful and reflective of her personality or your experiences together. It could be based on an inside joke, a shared memory, or a trait that you genuinely admire in her. The nickname should be something personal and endearing, not generic or overused. By using this special nickname, you create a private world between the two of you, setting your interactions apart from her everyday experiences. It's a reminder of the unique connection you share, and it reinforces your thoughtfulness and attentiveness towards her. This personalized approach demonstrates that you see her as an individual, not just another person in your life. Number 2. Stop being a detective. This means refraining from prying into every detail of a woman's life or obsessively seeking information about her. It's about showing trust and giving her space, which is a powerful way to demonstrate your confidence and security in yourself. Resist the urge to question her about her whereabouts, who she's with, or her past relationships. Instead, focus on building a connection based on mutual respect and trust. Show interest in her life and experiences, but don't cross the line into interrogation. This approach communicates that you're comfortable in your own skin and not threatened by her independence or past. By not being overly inquisitive, you create an atmosphere of ease and freedom in the relationship. It shows you're not clinging or possessive, traits that are often seen as red flags. This level of trust and nonchalance makes you more attractive and memorable, as it sets you apart from others who might be more controlling or insecure. Number 1. Teach her things. This involves sharing your knowledge and experiences to enrich her life. It's not about showing off your intellect, but about engaging in a meaningful exchange of ideas and skills. To effectively teach her, first identify areas of your expertise or hobbies that intrigue her. This could be anything from a sport you excel in to a unique skill you possess or knowledge about a subject you're passionate about. The key is to teach with patience and enthusiasm, making the learning experience enjoyable and engaging for her. This approach does several things. It establishes you as a knowledgeable and competent individual, which is inherently attractive. It also creates shared experiences and memories, strengthening your bond. Importantly, teaching her shows that you value her growth and are invested in her development, which is a powerful way to demonstrate care and respect. By sharing your knowledge, you're not just impairing skills, you're creating moments of connection and mutual respect. This not only makes you unforgettable, but also deepens the relationship in a meaningful way. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable, and if you're ready to take the next step and uncover more ways to level up as a man, dive into the video. 8 shocking mind tricks bad boys use to win hearts here.